Hi everyone, meet the Crane adorable penguin, the perfect blend of cutting edge and cuteness. With its ultra-silent ultrasonic technology, this whisper-quiet humidifier ensures a peaceful environment ideal for your child's room. Need to cover a sizable space? Its 1-gallon tank offers up to 24 hours of soothing mist for rooms up to 500 square feet. You can use it filter-free, or you have the option of using a filter like you saw me install at the beginning of the video. There's an auto shut-off feature which is great, and beyond its functionality, the playful penguin design makes it a charming addition to any nursery. I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, I hope this was helpful.